Alright guys, it's Junior aka Semi here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I highly suggest you go ahead and click on that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out anything we do on the channel, because we do a lot of great stuff and review a lot of great things. Alright guys, so today, as you know, it is Wednesday, so guess what it is? Wednesday websites. I got another great website for you guys to use. It's a tool website that has many free tools you can use for everyday things. I know there's times that I'm like, I wish I could do this. This website mostly has it. It has a whole bunch of free tools, guys. Keyword free, which is awesome. I think they have some paid stuff on here that if you want more of a broad expansion on it, some like more features, but most of it is all free, and I think it's a great website you need to check out. Let me go and shrink myself down. Once I do that, we can go over the website and take a look at it. Alright, so I'm going to shrink myself down now, and as you see, we're on the website here, and this is called TinyWow.com. TinyWow.com, and it has a whole bunch of free tools on here guys that I think it's gonna make your life easier when it comes to things, everyday things. So there's times that I need, like, let's say I want to remove a background off an image and I just want to have myself in the picture. I'll go to image here, and it has a whole bunch of different tools here that you can check out. Let's say I want to do a transparent background. That's what I'm talking about, to remove the background. Do I have a picture? No, I got a picture of my brother. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload a picture here. I'm gonna take a picture of my brother, put him in here. I uploaded it. Okay. So we just gotta verify that we're human. All right, and then we just let it process. Once it processes it, it'll remove the background. All right. So as you see, it removed the background. This is a picture of him at the Empire State Building. Let me see if I can bring the picture in here so you guys can see it. And there you go. So this is the original picture that I wanted to transparent background. Remove the background. As you see, this is the picture at the Empire State Building, New York. And when we removed everything. They did a pretty good job. I mean, there are little couple areas here that they couldn't touch it, but you could take your eraser or any kind of free software on here and just erase it. Now, if you want to change the background, they have the option to put a background on here. Let's say I want to put this one right here. Okay. He's in a bookstore. Look at that. He's in the galaxy. I can put that. Just give it a second for it to understand it and input it in there. Sometimes it takes a little bit to load up. Let's see, he's at a beach. Let me see if it takes forever to load up on this part, because I think I have my VPN on. Let me turn off my VPN because I usually have it on for reasons. Alright, so I turn off my VPN. Let's see if that'll make it work a bit faster. So I cleared it. Let me put okay, so this is the background. He's in the desert. He's on the beach. Oh, okay, let me put this down here. Oh, that's right, because I gotta touch the background for it to. Okay, so he's on the beach. He's in the galaxy. That's why it wasn't working. Because alright, let's see, he's in the mountains. Boom, look at that guys. Look how easy it is. This is how cool this is. This is one tool that they have here. So let's go and get out of here. Let's see what other tools they have on here. I'm not gonna go over every tool, just because if I go here and do every tool, I'll be here for hours. I don't want to do that. Let's check out some PDF stuff. Here you can edit PDFs on here, convert a PDF to Word, take a picture to convert it into a PDF, or merge your two PDFs together. Because those are options right here, guys. You can see all these options for the PDFs here. If a PDF has a password, you can remove the password, which is not that hard, actually. It really isn't. I don't know why they put passwords on there. You can do a lot of stuff here. Now, images is going to give you a lot more better stuff on here. Alright, so let's say I want to just blur the background. Click on blur. I'm going to take the same image. I'm going to drag it on here. Put on here to see how they convert it over. Let's see how they do on that. You give it a few seconds for it to be processed. Once it's processed, it'll pop up here and it'll give you a blur background. You like, it's not blur yet. You gotta blur it here. It's only 1% blur. If I want to blur it more, I just go here. Look at that. Look how good that thing is. That thing is awesome. They did a very good job on that, which I think. All right. So that's just images. Let's look at right. Here it gives you a lot of great stuff that you could help you write. This is like AI stuff here, which is awesome. You could a paragraph writer, a sentence rewriter, essay writer, article writer. So you could use this for yourself for doing content creation as well, guys. There's a lot of stuff here. You could generate a business name. Okay, let's take a look at that. I'm just curious. So, a man that works on computers and cars. Let's take a look. I put cares. I don't know why. All right, so we're gonna hit generate. I want to start a business that works on computers and cars. Let's see what they generate for me. Let's take a look. It's gonna all list it right here for you. Okay, let's see. It's generating. Okay, so they have a computer, a compute and cruise, code and clutch, bite and bolts. Okay, they got some decent ones in here. Engineer electronics. That's a good one. Circuits and cylinder solutions, tech and torque masters. Auto Logic Solutions. Well, they got some decent names here. In my opinion, they came up with some decent names. If I did want to do kind of a shop like that, I mean, that's a weird combination of a business. But hey, those are the two things I love to do and work on. So that can work. I might think about that. All right, so it has a lot of great features on here, guys. So I want to put, let's say, Instagram caption. They have more options. Me driving down the street in my S2000. No, I'm not easy driving down the street in my 6'4". No, okay. I don't know why I thought about that. I thought of my S2000. So here we're gonna generate it. Let's see what they're gonna do me for captions. Okay, so let's take a look. It's generating. We'll give it again. AI takes time for the thing. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. And this hit, and it gave me a whole bunch of captions that I could put as a title. Me and my S2000 cruising down the street. A scene from, I don't know. I can't read the rest of that. Okay. They say it's not about the destination, but you trying to take a S2000. So there's a lot of great stuff here, guys. Again, you could use a bunch of these tools for yourself and check it out. Awesome. So now they got some video stuff here, guys. Again, you can do a TikTok download video, Instagram download, Twitter download. You know, you can convert files over, movies to MP4s, MKVs to MP4s, or even F4A to MP3. Those are audio files. Facebook downloader. Let's go to TikTok downloader because I could do my TikTok. Alright, so I'm going to take up one of my TikTok videos. I'm going to bring it up here. Just give me a second. I got to bring it up on one of my other pages. And hopefully it's not going to make any sound because I don't want it to make sound. Alright, so I'm going to go to my profile. And I'm going to take the latest one I did, which is this one right here. I said there was sound on that one, just the front page didn't have sound. All right, so I took the URL on my video and I put it here, and then find video, of course. And it's gonna go ahead and bring it up here. It should bring up here. Tell me if that's the one I want to download, or it's gonna download it right away. Okay, and it'll download it without the watermark. Your file is ready. I can save it to my phone by scanning this QR code here. It'll give me a download link on my phone. I could download it here, save to device, and it downloaded it. It downloaded the HTML file for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. I'm gonna copy this link over here instead of because I typed the URL on top. Let me see if this does it better. I might have like not completed the whole URL there on top. So let's see if this works better. Because I downloaded the HTML file instead of like a video file. Alright, let me see if this works. Same thing, I don't know. So this one might not be working, or maybe it's just not working on my computer right now. Maybe if you scan it, it might work. Let's see. I'm going to scan it on my phone. And I'm going to go ahead and I got to open up my phone. Hold on. Okay, and I'm going to scan it right here. My phone doesn't want to act right now, but yeah, but you get the idea, guys. I'm not gonna go. And let's check out the last section here on files. Files, it lets you do a lot of different things here. You can go through it, convert it from one file style to another, which is pretty common for a lot of things. Again, guys, a bunch of free tools here you guys could use to do a lot of different things. AI generate, convert files, write stuff for you. There's a lot of stuff here. I could go over this in hours, but again, I do not want to waste your time and bore you with stuff. I suggest you go and check it out. I'll leave a link down below so you can go check out the website yourself and see what you can do on here, because I think there's a lot of great stuff on here, guys. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video and everything I had to do for you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of this video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.